In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a booking request form with workflow automation, saving you time and streamlining your booking process. Whether you're managing client appointments or event registrations, automating this process will make life a lot easier. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to show you an exclusive free trial to follow along with this tutorial. First, let's talk about the main goal here, creating a booking request form. This is your standard form where customers can input their information, such as name, contact details, and preferred booking times. The real magic happens when we automate the workflow, so that these bookings don't just sit around waiting for someone to process them manually. Instead, you'll have automated actions like sending confirmation emails, updating a calendar, and notifying team members, all without lifting a finger. To get started, we'll need to choose a software that allows us to build the form and set up automation. For this tutorial, we'll be using software that's well suited for this kind of workflow. And the best part, you'll get a free trial of this software by clicking the link in the description below, exclusive to viewers of my channel. Now, let's dive into creating the form. Start by logging into your account on our software. Navigate to the Forms section and create a new form. You'll want to choose a simple template for booking requests, but you can always customize it with additional fields like preferred times, location, or service type depending on your needs. Add fields that will be essential for your team to process the request, but don't overcomplicate it. Remember, the simpler the form, the better the user experience. Once your form is set up, it's time to add automation. The key to a seamless booking process is setting up an automated workflow. In the software, look for the Automation or Workflows section. This is where you can set rules for what happens once someone submits the form. For example, you can create an automation that sends an email confirmation to the customer immediately after submission, informing them that their booking is being processed. You can also set up alerts to notify your team when a new booking has come in. For example, an automated email or Slack message can be sent to the relevant person, making sure no booking gets missed. But it doesn't stop there. If you're integrating with a calendar, you can automatically update available slots, ensuring that customers only book times that are still open. This helps avoid double booking and keeps everything running smoothly. One more powerful automation you can set up is a follow-up sequence. If the customer hasn't confirmed the booking within 24 hours, for instance, an automatic reminder can be sent to them. You could also set up an automated thank you email after the appointment has been completed. These are small but impactful details that ensure your process stays professional and efficient. As you can see, setting up a booking request form with workflow automation doesn't need to be complicated. It saves you time, reduces errors, and makes sure your customers get a smooth professional experience. And remember, if you want to follow along with this tutorial, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software in the description below. So here's the key takeaway. A booking request form is the first step, but the real value comes when you automate the process. Automated workflows ensure that bookings are confirmed, your team is notified, and your calendar stays updated, all without manual effort. To recap, we created the booking request form, set up automation for confirmation emails, team notifications, and follow-up sequences. And don't forget to grab that free trial link in the description to start automating your booking process today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.